I'm Rob Crooke, General Manager of the Business Client Group, responsible for products that we're developing and selling to businesses. And today we're launching the next generation of our vPro technology for the desktop. And vPro is about delivering energy efficient performance, manageability, and security to IT professionals. And we have already launched the initial version of vPro last year, about a year ago, and Centrino version of vPro earlier this year. And this is our second generation. We're very excited. We got some great technology from our OEMs. So we have Lenovo, HP, and Dell all here doing demonstrations. But we'll also get some great software technology from the likes of Symantec, Cisco, and Altiris here. And so they're demonstrating some cool new technology. We also had a great demonstration from General Dynamics that showed how we use LT and VT, Trusted Execution Technology, and virtualization technology for managing confidential environments. And so for the government, these are they're managing top secret versus regular confidential information, and the inability to copy from one to the other, which is pretty compelling use of LT and VT, and it sort of gives you a view of where the world might be going in the future. vPro is actually a set of components from Intel. So it includes the networking components. It includes the new chipset, so the Bear Lake chipset, or the Q35, as we're talking about it publicly, and the Core 2 Duo processor. Right, so the new Core 2 Duo processor with 1333 frontside bus and bigger caches and higher frequencies is about 30% better than the platform we launched a year ago in performance-wise. But we're also reducing the power and the networking and the chipset and the processor, the idle power, while delivering that higher performance. Today's launch is targeted at products that help business users all the way from the smallest customer to the largest. And we've got new lower levels of energy, so whether you're worried about electrical cost or you want to do something good for the environment, it lowers their energy while giving about a 30% performance improvement. So greater performance, lower energy cost. Also, it reduces the cost to deliver manageability services to users. So the IT guys can get you up and running more quickly, the IT professionals can do that more efficiently, right? So they can get the patches distributed in a more automated fashion. And we got some new security technology and enhanced system defense filters and trusted execution technology that keep the systems more secure. And so that's good for the user, right, as well as the IT professional and the company overall. Virtualization technology and Legrand technology, or LT or TXT is what we're calling it, trusted execution technology publicly, is a capability that helps improve virtualization. And virtualization can be used for legacy applications, so that if you're moving to a new operating system and you don't have one of your older applications ported, it can be used for that. It can be used for separating two environments. So the General Dynamics example was, I have one environment and I want to keep it isolated from another environment. And you could want that for multiple reasons. Their example is they don't want to get their top secret information commingled with their general information, so that you don't have to have two PCs. They can have one environment that's operating in a window right next to the top secret environment, and so they can browse the web and do their normal stuff, and they don't have to worry about IP leakage. But also it's about protecting from viruses and worms, right? So you can imagine one environment not getting infected by the other. Underneath that is virtualization technology. That's the magic that lets this happen. And the new technology is about making sure the virtual machine monitor that runs underneath there is measured, and we know that it hasn't been infected by something before we let it launch. That's one of the keys to trusted execution technology. And then also we protect against hardware-based attacks. So you can imagine one virtual environment, so one of your user environments is using a USB port, and we don't want to allow that control over that to cause information to get into the other, or worm or virus to get into the other virtual environment that you're working in. So we have directed I/O, so we're able to isolate a I/O device to one machine and not allow it get to the other machine.